What is up, guys? Welcome to another Behind the Curve Reacts. As always, if you enjoy the kind of content I'm putting out, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below, share with your friends, all that good stuff. But today we've got more Glee. We have got another Glee reaction. And according to the commenters for some of my other ones, this is one of Darren Criss's best performances. This is going to be him covering Cough Syrup, which is apparently a song by Young the Giant. The name Young the Giant feels like I've heard it before, but I might be thinking of They Might Be Giants. But either way, I don't feel like I've ever heard this song before, but yeah, I don't think it's really going to be much of a detraction because, Glee likes to do their own take on these things. But yeah, I am really excited. I don't really know what to expect other than greatness by Darren Criss. Hopefully not too much drama, but it's Glee, so I'm sure it'll be there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for letting me know about this again, and let's go ahead and get into it.
You okay? You seemed upset. And if Sebastian is thinking...
Forget about Sebastian. I'm not mad at you. I just don't want to waste any more time on him. I want to focus on winning. I've got a new song I want to try out. The theme for regionals is inspiration, and I think this fits the bill. You want to hear it?
We were the dragons at my high school, too. Best mascot ever. Doesn't look good.
Life's too short to even care at all.
Fucking kids are cruel.
It's terrible.
I'm losing my mind, losing control.
You want to go?
These fishes on the sea, they're staring at me. A wet world aches for a beat of a drum. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down, come down. Life's too short to even care at all. I'm coming up now, out of the blue. These zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. A dark world aches for a splash of the sun. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they said could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this.
That's right, buddy. Put on a suit, it makes you feel better. I don't know why, I can't explain it, it just does.
One more spoon of cough syrup now. One more spoon of cough syrup now.
Oh. Dude. Okay. New rule for future Glee performances. If it's going to be like super fucking sad like that, you got to let me know. Please, 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 please let me know. Oh no, dude. Like, I know I said I don't care about the Glee drama, but like, does does the kid live? Does he die? Like, I have to know that. Please let me know. But let's go ahead and get big. All right, so first off, obviously, you know, bullying, self-harm, suicide, all of that is not good. It's not the answer. Down in the description of this video, I'll go ahead and pop the link for the National Suicide Hotline Crisis Prevention Center. If you're ever going through, you know, something like that, you don't have to go through it alone. There are people out there that can help you and that want to help you. Please don't ever hesitate to go to one of those resources. Yeah, other than... Okay, so yeah, let's talk about the video itself. That was unbelievably sad. I hope that the character didn't actually die, but I don't remember Glee being that dark in the first season, like, at all. I don't know, maybe I'm misremembering it, but yeah, that was really messed up. Yeah, you know, bullying, even not crazy over-the-top bullying like we just saw there, even, you know, little snide comments, you know, here and there, they add up, man. It's not good. It's not okay. Just be a decent person. Be a good person. Other than that, though, the song was great. The song was incredible. I had heard it before. As soon as the chorus kicked in, I was like, oh, yep, it's all coming back to me. I had no idea that it was called Cough Syrup. That's interesting. I guess I just never really listened to the lyrics. Darren Criss, though, did great. That power and that emotion in his voice. And what was, like, a really good arrangement. Like, I love the bassist there with the Paul McCartney, Beatles, like, violin-style bass. I always loved those basses. As a bass player myself, a pseudo bass player. It's always been one of my favorite designs. But yeah, that was really good. I can totally see why Darren Criss got on Glee, and apparently why he stayed on Glee for at least a bit, because he is supremely talented. It wasn't too overproduced either. It wasn't too auto-tuney, which I always am leery about when it comes to these Glee performances. So that was really nice. He just kind of let Darren's voice speak for itself, which was incredible because it can do that without any help. I'm getting the feeling, though, that through some of these, like, Kurt and Darren little mini storylines I get, that there is an awful lot of drama between those two, which is too bad. I just want to see Darren just sing. I don't need to see him in all this relationship drama, but that's fine, because I am not watching the show. I am just watching these numbers. So yeah, please, if you guys have any other kick-ass Glee numbers that you want me to react to, please let me know that down in the comments. Also, like I said before, please let me know if it's super, super duper sad story matter. Because that was just mean. That was just mean. No, I'm just kidding. It wasn't mean. But it was a very powerful video. It was a very powerful, you know, message, I guess you could say. I really feel like I need to know what happened to that character, though. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. This was another very, very well done Glee performance. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in a reaction very soon.